This is SnapOtter, and it does something a little bit wild. 157 different file tools for images, PDFs, video, and audio, all running on your own server, with not a single file ever touching the cloud. Background removal, OCR, upscaling, PDF editing, video conversion, all of it completely offline and completely free. It's basically a self-hosted replacement for a whole stack of paid online tools you're probably using right now. And the part that genuinely feels like it shouldn't be free, the local AI, we'll get to that in just a minute. Stick around for that, because once you see what's running locally, you'll wonder why you ever trusted an upload button. So what exactly is it? SnapOtter is a self-hosted, open-source file toolkit. Think about every sketchy online converter, every paid image editor, and every PDF website you've ever uploaded a private document to. SnapOtter takes that entire category and puts it on hardware that you control. It's a single web app with a real layer-based editor, a full REST API, and pipeline workflows for chaining tools together into reusable processes. And the whole thing runs behind your own login, on your own server, in any browser, with your files never once leaving your network. And this is a real, serious project, not a weekend toy. SnapOtter is written almost entirely in TypeScript, it's licensed under AGPL 3.0, and it already has more than 1,800 stars on GitHub with active, frequent releases. The latest version, 1.17.2, shipped in June. This isn't a dusty repo someone abandoned 2 years ago. It's actively maintained, it moves fast, and it's developed completely in the open. You can read every single line of code that ever touches your files, and that's exactly the point. When the code is open and the license is copyleft, the project simply can't quietly turn evil on you later. Here's the core promise, and it's a big one: nothing leaves your network. There are no external API keys to paste in, no usage quotas counting your every action, and no data quietly shipped off to a third-party provider in the background. Your source files never leave your hardware, full stop. And because the whole thing is AGPL 3.0, it's fully auditable. You can actually verify that privacy claim for yourself, instead of just trusting a marketing page that says "trust us." For anyone handling sensitive documents or client imagery, that one distinction is everything. And the sheer breadth here is honestly a little ridiculous. SnapOtter bundles 157 tools across 5 whole categories: 64 image tools, 29 video tools, 17 audio tools, 37 document and PDF tools, and 10 file converters. Resize, crop, compress, watermark, convert between dozens of formats, merge and split PDFs, trim and stabilize video, normalize and denoise audio. And then, sitting on top of all of that, a browser-based layer editor with brushes and filters, plus a full REST API. It is genuinely a one-stop shop for files. Whatever the file type is, there is almost certainly already a tool in here that handles it for you. And getting it running is shockingly simple. There is a single Docker command: pull the image, map port 1349, hand it a volume for your data, and you are done. SnapOtter is live on your own machine in seconds. If you want the full production stack, one Docker compose command brings SnapOtter up alongside Postgres and Redis. And it runs on both AMD 64 and ARM 64, which means your old spare server, your NAS, or even a Raspberry Pi will all quite happily run the whole thing. No installer to babysit, no dependency hell, no 30-page setup guide, just one line pasted into your terminal. So why not just use the cloud tools that everyone already reaches for? Let's actually compare them. SnapOtter is self-hosted and runs entirely offline, while the typical cloud editor uploads your files straight to someone else's servers. SnapOtter is free and open source under AGPL, while tools like Cloudinary bill you by usage and lock the good features behind paid tiers. With SnapOtter, your files stay private by design, not by promise. With a cloud service, you're just trusting a privacy policy. For sensitive or high-volume work, this really isn't a close call. Once your files are sitting on someone else's machine, you've already lost the part that actually matters. And it isn't only self-hosting diehards who feel this way. A reviewer over at MakeUseOf put it about as plainly as you possibly can. In their words, they stopped using cloud image editors entirely after finding the self-hosted alternative. When a tool is genuinely good enough to change someone's actual daily workflow like that, it's almost always because it removes a real, nagging point of friction. And in this case, the friction is obvious: uploading your private files to a stranger's server just to resize an image. Let's put some hard numbers on it. 157 tools, all living inside a single app. Support for more than 55 input formats, so it will happily eat just about whatever weird file you throw at it. And 19 of those tools are local AI, running entirely on your own machine. No other self-hosted file tool really comes close to this kind of range right now, and it keeps growing with every single release they ship. And remember, every one of those numbers is something running on your own hardware, not a credit you slowly burn through. And here's the feature I promised you all the way back at the start. SnapOtter ships 19 local AI tools, and every single one of them runs offline, with no external API keys and no cloud calls whatsoever. Background removal, image upscaling, old photo restoration and colorization, object erasing, face blurring for privacy, OCR to pull text straight out of images, even audio transcription and automatic video subtitles. This is exactly the stuff people normally pay monthly subscriptions for, and here it's just running, for free, on hardware you already own. And the best part is just how easy it is to actually try this. The whole project lives on GitHub, so you can start it, read the code, or grab that Docker command and self-host it tonight. You can browse all 157 tools right from your phone, and there's a public live demo if you just want to click around and play first. No account, no credit card, no catch anywhere. Your files, your infrastructure, your rules. It honestly takes longer to read this sentence out loud than it does to spin the whole thing up. And let's be really clear about the cost, because it genuinely matters here. SnapOtter is free forever for self-hosting under AGPL, $0, 157 tools, 0 files uploaded to anyone, and an interface that already speaks 21 languages out of the box. There is a commercial license if you want to embed it inside a proprietary product you sell, but for running it yourself, internally, on your own gear, there are no strings attached at all. Compare that to a stack of separate subscriptions for editing, converting, and compressing, and the maths get silly fast. SnapOtter, every file tool you need, and nothing ever leaves your network. If this was useful, subscribe to Prism Labs for more self-hosted, open-source tools that are genuinely worth running.